Hello friends, in this lecture I want to explain about elimination of unit productions. Okay, so what is unit production? A variable which is replaced by another variable. In this form of a production in context free grammar, we can say that production is an unit production. We can replace these productions in context free grammar. In earlier videos I explained about useless symbols as well as epsilon productions and this unit productions. All these three are will be helpful in normal forms. Okay, so kabatti carefully you have to do the same three problems. Okay, useless symbols as well as null productions as well as unit productions. These three are very important one when you are implementing normal forms. Okay, let us take a production. So this is the grammar. Here the unit productions are S tends to A tends to B tends to S as well as B tends to A. These four are unit production. After removing these four, what we have? S tends to B and A tends to B. These are the remaining productions. Okay, once you have to eliminate unit productions as well as normal productions. Okay, so now in this A, what you replace B? So this production will add it here. Okay, instead of A, you can add this B. Okay, isn't it? Next, A tends to B. This B can replace it either S or A. Suppose I am replacing with S. Then this S can be replaced with either BB or now the new production is B. Okay, so this S can be replaced with B or BB. Okay, so A will replace with B or BB. Next ఈ B ప్లేస్లోనే S కానీ A కానీ ఏ అంటే అదే ప్రొడక్షన్ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి నో నీడ్ టు రీప్లేస్ ఇట్. ఓకే, నౌ కమింగ్ టు B టెన్స్ టు S. సో ఈ S ప్లేస్లో యూ కెన్ రీప్లేస్ ఇట్ A ఆర్ BB. This A you can replace it. What are the productions of A? B. Recently we have one more production, BB. Next, B tends to A. So what are the productions of A, B, or recently we got BB. So finally we have S tends to BB or one more production B, A tends to B or BB, and B tends to also B or BB. Okay, we have the final productions this after eliminating unit productions. In this we have to eliminate useless symbols. What are the useless symbols here? A and B are useless symbols. Why? Because these are useless symbols. Because these two symbols are not useful when deriving a terminal string from the starting state. That's why these two are useless symbols. So the final grammar is S tends to BB or B. So this is an example for elimination of unit productions. ఏం లేదండి, సింప్లీ యు ఆర్ యూజింగ్ ద సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ రూల్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు S tends to A అంటున్నాం, ఇది యూనిట్ ప్రొడక్షన్ అంటున్నాం. అంటే ఈ ఏ ప్లేస్లో వాట్ ఆర్ ద అదర్ ప్రొడక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ టర్మినేటబుల్ స్ట్రింగ్స్ ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో వాటిని మీరు సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తారు. ఆ వచ్చిన వాటిని మీరు ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.